Buddha diet. Can y'all eat like steamed cabbage, zucchini, sprout, cabbage? I don't know how to say that in English. Actually grow here in South Carolina. Steamed French bean. I don't know how to say that either. It's one of those fruit that I can't think of. And it's like sauce. It's almost vegetarian. Sticky rice, steamed vegetable and fresh one, and that's have like tilapia and pepper. Yeah, pepper. Actually, it can be spicy. If you like spicy, you add more pepper into it. But I can't not handle that much spice.